coolants play a crucial role in maintaining maximum engine performance in modern vehicles. The life of an engine can be dramatically shortened by failing to maintain the correct levels in the cooling system, or by using a coolant not approved for your vehicle. That's where Castrol RADICOOL comes in. Unlike many coolants which only claim to meet the requirements of OEM standards, Castrol's high-performance range of RADICOOL coolants are approved by leading vehicle manufacturers, offering outstanding protection and longer engine life for your vehicle. With Castrol's range of RADICOOL premix and concentrate products, including both conventional and OAT formulations, you can be sure your vehicle is in safe hands with Castrol RADICOOL. Rely on RADICOOL for outstanding coolant protection.